Here goes my first question 1. First thing I do is I figure out which terms there are. Terms are separated by pluses and minuses that are not in parentheses. So the 5 is one term, the minus separates the next one. This minus doesn't separate it because it's inside of a parentheses, so that's the second term. Here's the third term, here's the fourth term. And I'm going to simplify each term by itself, and it turns out that it's really only the second term that needs to be simplified. So I'm going to write just the second term on another sheet of paper and pretend that's my only problem. Negative 2 times x minus 4 squared. Okay, I'm going to put away the other question. Alright, so negative 2 times x minus 4 squared, I see that, well, I've got to multiply this by negative 2 and I've got to square the x minus 4. And squaring comes first. The easiest way to square something, I think, is probably with a rectangle. Divide, or a square, divide the square into as many sections as there are terms. In this case, there are 2, so there's an x and a minus 4 by x and minus 4, and then find the area of each section. So that's an x by x, so that area is x squared. This piece is negative 4 by x, so it's negative 4x. This area is negative 4 by x, so it's also negative 4 by x. And this is negative 4 by negative 4, so it's positive 16. So I'm going to put those together and replace the square with what this is. So I've got an x squared. I've got minus 4x and minus 4x, so let's make that minus 8x plus 16. And now I'm going to distribute the multiplying by negative 2 over the 3 terms. I've got negative 2x squared. Negative times negative is positive 16x minus 32. The most common mistake people make here is that they forget about the 2 negative 4's, the middle term. That's very often missing. All right, now I'm going to replace my second term with what I've simplified it as. So I'm going to say, okay, I've got the 5. This whole thing is negative 2x squared plus 16x minus 32. I've got plus 4x and minus 3. You might be confused about why the 16 stays positive and didn't turn negative because of the negative in front of that. The reason that didn't happen is because I saw this term as negative 2 and I distributed the negative 2. Alright, now my problem is to put like terms together. Take this away. And we like to put them in order, highest power first. So this is the only x squared term. There are 2x terms, and 16x plus 4 more x's gives us 20 x's in total. 5 minus 32 is negative 27. Minus 3 is negative 30. And that's our answer.